SmartClubs came as an idea about sort of pushing the boundaries really with traditional style education.
And we use Apple technology in an innovative and different way to engage learners and to develop their presentation skills.
And make the absorption of learning a little bit more effective. You could look at the Apple technology and in particular the iPad. There's one benefit is that they can walk around with the technology. But it's more than that, it's the software that is being developed continuously.
First few days, the learners meet their iPad, they learn about how to use the iPad.
The software, the various sort of apps that are available means that the learners can express themselves in lots of different ways. So we allow that freedom that the device gives us and the Apple technology gives us.
We use Pages, which is the traditional way where they write on a Word-style document all of their information and key skills to offer an employer.
Then what we do is we do something called iMovie, and then make a group, a team movie.
The kind of movie that they have to produce is what they've learned on the course, what they've gained from the course so far, and sort of what their aspirations are moving forward. And what's great about it is that they can share it with the rest of the group and have a bit of fun with it as well.
We then go through something called GarageBand, which we get the learners to make a radio advert, and from that we identify their transferable skills.
The teaching staff are great, so I loved all the NAC trainers, really helpful, and you know, you don't have a problem with anything because they're there to help you with everything.
They're all absolutely spot on, every one of them. I haven't got a bad word to say about any of them.
They knew exactly what we needed, not just on the course, but you know, to help benefit our learning. And they just came in really handy with all their knowledge and background of the job to help us do the best we could.
And like, they just give you like positive feedback and positive attitude. Like, there's no negativity, it's just all positive drive.
The learners gain an awful lot from the course. They gain vocational skills, which gives them the underpinning knowledge to work in the sector that we're training them for. They gain softer skills, employability skills, which make them a much more rounded individual.
The reasoning behind developing the softer skills in the course is our selection process actually looks at some of those things. That's why I thought it was important to fill those gaps, not just the hand skill side and the practical skill side, but also the soft skill side.
Well, my interview skills improved through the course just by being able to answer competency-based questions and not a slouch, and they were giving us examples of bad interviews on the computers, and which helped because obviously if I didn't have the training, I would have just sat there looking blank and probably wouldn't have got the job.
The learners take away from the Smart Club is they're developing their skills to present themselves at interview and fully prepared to go into employment and be able to sustain that employment.
We want them to have a lot of confidence and be able to present themselves in a professional manner.
It's a massive thing, the confidence building. And I feel like I've got that, and especially with the groups that I'm in, you know, everybody's great.
Just confidence-wise, I can walk about and I feel proud of myself because I'm actually working for a big firm in the North East.
What we need to do is make sure that learning and that growth is reflected in their CV.